Starting with Speechelo 1.3, we introduce some great new features. The first one is the ability to categorize your voices into campaigns or projects. In the top right, you can see the currently selected campaign, in this case, the default campaign. Now, whenever you want, you can create a new campaign by clicking on the three bars from the top right. You can rename a campaign and you can delete a campaign. You can consider campaigns as projects. For example, let's say you have a new website and you want to record voices for that website. Well, if your website name is Blaster Suite, for example, you can click on New Campaign, you can enter the website name, and all the voices that you will generate from now on will be generated in this campaign. And you generate the voiceover. As you can see, the voiceover appears right here, and it's available in the campaign Blaster Suite. Right? Now, if you move back to the default campaign, you will see all the audios that were generated in the default campaign, and so on. So as you can see, we simplified your work, and you can now work in campaigns and generate the voices that you want only in the campaign that you want. Now, in case you finish the campaign and you know that you're never going to go back to that campaign, you can select it and after that go to Delete Campaign and hit Delete. Now, if you do the delete action, please note that all the audios that you generated will be permanently deleted. Now, a great new feature that was added to Speechelo is the ability to merge multiple files. So let's say that you generated 3 voices. It can be from the same actor or different actors or different genders. So I'm going to select the audios that I want to merge. And right now you have 3 options. You can delete them, you can move all the audios in a new campaign, or you can use the merge function. So click on merge, and right here all the voices that you selected will be merged in one single audio file. Now, what you can do right now is drag and drop everything so you can reorganize the audios. So in case you didn't create the voices in the order that you wanted, you can now simply rearrange everything, and please note that the audio will start with the topmost item and it will finish with the last item. So let's say if this text, hello, how are you, should be first, then you simply drag and drop it at the top and click on merge files. Now you select a merge name and hit merge. And that's it. Alright, so don't forget that you can now work in multiple campaigns and projects in Speechelo, and you can use a more powerful merge feature. Thanks a lot for watching this video.